Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of knowledge management systems. I'm George, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our latest course, Mastering Knowledge Management Systems. Whether you're a business professional, an IT expert, or simply keen on enhancing your knowledge in this transformative field, you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced business environment, the ability to manage knowledge effectively is more crucial than ever. It's not just about storing information, it's about harnessing that knowledge to drive innovation, improve decision-making, and achieve a competitive edge. This course offers a deep dive into the world of knowledge management systems, or KMS. You'll explore their significance, how they transform contemporary business landscapes, and the strategies you can employ for effective implementation and utilization. By the end of this journey, you'll understand the core principles of knowledge management, identify the key components of KMS, and design strategies tailored to your organizational needs. You'll learn how to implement these systems to foster a culture of collaboration and innovation. With no technical prerequisites required, this course is designed to be accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of business processes and organizational structures. Our interactive lessons, case studies, and practical exercises ensure a comprehensive and engaging learning experience. Join us as we explore the critical role of KMS in enhancing organizational performance and innovation. This course isn't just about learning, it's about transforming the way you and your organization view and manage knowledge. Ready to master knowledge management systems? Enroll today and start your journey towards becoming a KMS expert. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for updates on more courses like this.